You cannot upload a STU file to YouTube. It is a Pinnacle Studio Project file. It only contains your edits. You must open the project and export to MP4. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the button. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a STU file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. The STU extension is a proprietary video editing project file for Pinnacle Studio. It stores timeline data, effect settings, and references to media files, allowing users to reopen their work. The file contains structured data defining the sequence of clips and transitions, but does not store actual media files, only pointers to them. The STU file format is proprietary to Pinnacle Studio and contains structured data that defines the project's composition. It includes details such as the sequence of video clips, audio tracks, transitions, effects, and other editing decisions made within the software. It does not contain the actual media files, but rather pointers to their locations. The STU extension has a direct link to the Pinnacle Studio application by Coral Corporation. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows may show minimal previews, but full visibility requires compatible programs. Let's find the specific program that reads the file structure. Right-click the STU file and select Open with. Test Pinnacle Studio if it appears. If not, choose another application. One of them is the right match. If your STU file will not open yet, do not panic. The error is a consequence of the STU format's specific requirements. Here is a breakdown of the technical reasons your application is failing to recognize it. First, use Pinnacle Studio. Open the file using Pinnacle Studio, the required application for the video editing project. Next, locate original media. Ensure all original video clips and images referenced by the project are present in the same location, folder they were in when the project was last saved. Finally, export to MP4. Use the software's export function to render the project as a final MP4 or .mov video file. If no local program recognizes the STU file, it likely indicates a naming overlap where your system is attempting to use the wrong tool for that specific format. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the STU file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. I've used this exact fix countless times.